Okay, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another morning broadcast. We've been having a pretty good week this week. I personally had a rough start, but I've been making corrections and I'm ready to show up today. Monday I had a really rough morning. I didn't get a lot of sleep, so my report card grade was a C minus for that day. So as I always say, your best trading day is not about P&L. It's about process, right? If you don't follow your process and make some money, is that really a good day? But if you follow your process consistently, then you will make money consistently. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, so yesterday, the market quantum really took off. So as we've been discussing, we said the market has been shrugging off a lot of the negative, or some of the negative headlines that came out, like Moody's downgrade. And yesterday, when we met for our game plan meeting, we talked about the quantum names. And the quantum names, they really took off, mainly QBTS. So we saw RGTI stall. We saw QUBT stall as well. But the quantum QBTS, that one right there really took off. There was that name had additional news. So there was earnings last week, and then there was additional news that came out. So this one gave a really good setup here yesterday, and then now, I mean, it's still running. So I'm looking for a reactive trade here, just looking at zones, seeing if it comes back to yesterday's high, and may take a trade up to VWAP, depending on how structure looks as the market opens. If we get something here, we have enough distance from here to VWAP. Then if it recovers, we have more levels. The pre-market high has already been created. So QBTS is definitely on the list. Looking at quantum. Another one that I've been trading this morning actually is ASST. So yesterday CEP went off. This is a crypto related stock, and this one took off. So this morning I opened up the crypto basket, my watch list. So Mara, Coin, ASST has just been on the list because it's a low float and they had a crypto venture. So I was looking at ASST, and I just saw it popped up on, before it even popped up on the scan, I just had it here. So I took some scalps on that one. And then it just recently gave some another one here while I was joining the call. So I'll be looking at ASST. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was rallying and running yesterday. So Mara was flat. Coin pretty much flat. MSTR as well. It was flat, then it rose. So I was looking at CEP. That one really took off yesterday, and then ASST. So ASST was my best trades of the day for this morning. Low float. We don't need a lot of demand to see this thing continue to rise. So that's one. All right, another one is EDBL. EDBL. Yesterday, I mean, light catalyst, and I was late to the party. Was it? Yeah, okay, yeah. I was late to the party. So this one, we were on our call this morning. This one actually it was on our scan, and I was just looking at it to see if it was gonna come. I mean, it gave some scalps pre-market. Then at the market open, it pushed up to VWAP, failed, and then pushed through VWAP. So the first trade was here, second trade was here, and then I took a third. I didn't get these two, but we were on the call together, and I took this one, and I had to exit, right? So exited for like a small loss, but then re-entered and got a nice trade there. So that was a really nice scalp. And then we were looking at, I didn't take this trade. We were just looking at this for a potential move. So I think it was I think the ask or the bid, something was going on there. It wasn't really Didn't look like a really strong move there. So we were just kind of waiting on it to shape up there, or maybe if we enter, we may have exited soon. I don't remember a loss here. So yeah, so EDBL, that one continued to run. So earnings here, but a light catalyst yesterday was product launch on Amazon. There we go, product launch on Amazon. So that one, if we just look at the scout from, the ticker, it's on a decline here, right? But this just gave it some juice, right? The product launch on Amazon, and I think the shorts got squeezed. So popped, new pullback, and then pre-market pulled through VWAP here and broke through this level and started to create support. So we'll see if we are going to break this, what was support, now resistance, and have more room to go. So EDBL is on the list. What VWAP indicator exactly to use? I just use a standard one. Brother just killed it on SGMA. Oh, you did? Oh, nice. Welcome, Yusuf. Welcome, everybody. So, yeah, so, man, that's good. So you caught SGMA. Let's talk about that one real quick. SGMA. Okay, so SGMA, there's an acquisition news that came out, and by the time I saw it, it gapped. I don't even know how you caught that, or if maybe you caught a little pullback or something there, but yeah, that's yeah. So what happened is it's an $83 million deal, and the company that's buying is going to purchase. They're going to go, okay, so Sigmatron will be acquired by a private equity firm, and the value is about $83 million, and they've agreed to pay $3 per share. So the closing price was $1.29. So that's automatically a premium, right? It's automatically a premium. So if you got in down here, you're automatically in the green there. So that's why you see that huge spike. It's the algo. It's an algo spike there to take price up. So you automatically see, man, whoa, incredible, bro, incredible. Oh yeah, so you must have seen it spike, hit the scan, and then you must have been like on the 10-second. Yeah, that's incredible, man. Wow. So quick trigger. All right, so that's one. All right, so we got so far Quantum, ASST, looking at the crypto space, looking at a few names that we traded yesterday, EDBL, and another one. So somebody asked about GCL. Just 1 second. I want to, let me see. This one was up on the scan. I think makes offer to acquire. So this is an acquisition offer, and that's back in April 30th. Okay. So yeah, let's see if this one comes back alive. I mean, it popped, and where's the news at? Where's that news coming from? Let's see if there's something more. Nope, that's not where I want to go. I'm glad it didn't take me nowhere crazy. All right, GCL announces strategic controlling investment from Providence Equity Partners. So popped on the scan on a catalyst and faded. So we'll see. Set alarms. That one became a fader. All right. Let me see. Yes. All right. So KDLY. I haven't watched. This one was a runner previously, and it is below VWAP here, and we'll see. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Proposed merger. So this one, proposed merger with Bitcoin Treasury Company. All right, so things around Bitcoin may, may send a company, especially if it's rising. If Bitcoin is rallying, then I'm looking for announcements and headlines around that, different ventures. So we'll see if this one gets above VWAP and becomes active again. Okay, KDLY. And then SYTA is one that is really interesting. All right, here. So this was, we had it on watch for second day. So second day play, looking for a second day play yesterday. And this one, all right, so on SYTA, scalps in the morning, pre-market, struggled at VWAP, looked as if it was gonna short, came back alive. And then I saw this later on. I had my charts up and the volume increased here. So it was just kind of ranging. The volume increased on the breakout here, and we had some consolidation. And I just took a quick scalp and I took my money right there later on. And I didn't finish my chart right up. I had something to do with family yesterday after, so I didn't get my full review in. But this one, and I was gonna stick at it, but I had to go stick with it. So you'll see these spikes throughout the day. But anyhow, I broke the pre-market high, created a high of day. Now it's gapped down, right? In the post-market, it sold off. So I'm just gonna keep my eye on it. It has a nice little range right now. And if we have a breakout, we may have something here. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking at that. All right, so SYTA, and let me fix the chat on ours in Zoom. I need to send a message to our team. So sorry about that. For those that couldn't write in the chat on that are in Zoom, we need to update that. All right, so we have a good list today. So KDLY, we talked about. SYTA, we talked about. Let me just do a quick recap of my main, the names that I have that are the main names. So we're looking at quantum, okay? So the quantum names, specifically QBTS, that one is running. And then right now we've had ASST with scalps and EDBL scalps already, and those are EDBL just flushed. All right, so with such a flush here, I am still interested. We have a flush that happened so fast. Let's see. All right, so EDBL, I'll just keep that on watch, see how that evolves. This can bounce. Okay, quantum, ASST, EDBL, delete all inactive. I'll be hitting that. I hit that alert key, that alert hotkey all day. So I'll probably have 1,000 alerts set up. EDBL, QBTS, ASST, and CNR. Just one sec. Let me go to my written game plan. Okay, I know there's one more. Now this one, I'm just keeping this one on watch. So keeping this one on watch, and that is TMC. Okay. All right. So if you're in the chat, let me know what you want me to take a look at. If you have some other names that I haven't covered, I have no problem doing that. So just taking a look. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm watching SYTA. You know, really, I like this little range here. So we'll see if it comes alive again, ranging above VWAP. See if the volume comes in. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. Focus on the best setups. We don't have to catch everything. Leave the C setups aside. Just focus on getting your quality setups in. And we show up every day. We never know what's going to happen. So something else can just pop up on the scan. Just always remember that. Something can pop up on the scan that we hadn't even thought about trading. And it gives us our setup. We're on it, right? So let's set up your hotkeys, be ready. And yeah, let's get to it, okay? Thank you all for joining morning after morning. We've been here since January 2025 together. I hope these are helpful. Please like and subscribe to continue to support the channel. And also, we are hosting an event in Miami with Lance Brightstein. He was just announced to be a market wizard, or he's going to be in the Market Wizards book. We're going to have Lance Brightstein and some other 7- and 8-figure traders there in February. So we'll put out some information about it pretty soon. Just look out for that. Okay. It's reserved. The first tickets are reserved for our group, the Profit X community, but the internal community and the broader community, which are you all on YouTube, you all are in the community as well. So I'll let you all know about the information first here on these lives. Yeah, hope to meet some of you all soon. Okay. All right. Hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.